Today I am showing you side French braid hairstyle. Make French braid from the left side to right side. Continue making French braid by adding some hair from the right side corner. Give a slight curve to your French braid and leave rest of the hair open as it is. Now finish the braid and tuck the remaining loose hairs with the hairpins on the left side corner. Make sure that the pins are tucked properly and neatly. Comb the open hairs and set them on your left shoulder. So this is how we make side French braid hairstyle. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do like, share and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel.